Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hello, everybody.
We have finally finished the watercolor journal, and the reason I call it the watercolor journal is instead of using coffee dyed papers, I used watercolor papers, so really soft colors. And when I was telling Clint my idea, he was able to pick out some really pretty colors and make this beautiful quilted cover, which I absolutely love. So this is Flying Geese, and there's about 1 3/4 spine, but he has flying geese all the way around, and then just some other pieces, which I think is really pretty. There is a little marks here, but I think it's just distress ink or something. Just a full disclosure. Here is some seam binding, which is crinkly seam binding, and I got it on Etsy right now. Right off the bat, I can't remember who did that, but this cover is gorgeous. It is, it's about 6 inches by 9. So with like a 1 3/4 inch spine, I think. Nope, 1 1/4 inch spine. So it is full. There are 2 signatures, and it's pretty full, but we like it like that. And this is what he chose for the inside, which we really love. The pink. And so the theme of this is just soft colors, I guess, is really what it is. I just call it watercolor. We do have laces of all different shades, and like I said, really pale, really light colors. Here's a belly band, just a simple belly band with a little journaling card under there. Has a fun fabric flower. And then all of these watercolor papers I did outside, which on a table, which is why we have all that fun design. So I did it on a metal table, and I just lucked out having that design. But here's purple lace. Here's a really pretty envelope. And then what I did is, I love the papers that I made, so I just folded up one solid sheet of paper to put that in there. So you can journal in there, you can pull it out and use it as decoration or whatever you want to do. So here's a fabric cluster paper clip, and then some journaling under there. And then this is one of those fun skeleton tags that I did. And that was inspired by which craft do you do? So, but I love this watercolor paper. I think it's so pretty. So for the most part, I didn't cover up the watercolor paper because I loved it so much, and I think you can have, I think it's just fun, and you have plenty of journaling space. So this one is full of journaling space in here. There is a ledger piece just for some interest, but just really pretty papers. I love that. And then this was the kit I used. I can't remember. Oh, it's called like Dreams. And I got it on Etsy, the paper that I chose. This is just a circle, and it fits in there, but it's journaling space. So you can open this, and it's kind of like a hidden journaling space. This was inspired by my friend Donna. Hi Donna, if you're watching. And I love that. And then it just fits right in there. So you can take that out and write. And I have a paper clip here. This is a, oh, who was that? Rita Donnelly flip. But I made it into my double, and I have a paper clip on both sides of it, and then I just put some journaling space underneath there. And then on this side, I have one of my little bitty library pockets, and then I took some of that paper and I folded it so you have more journaling space here. And then I did a little point on it, and the thickness is going to hold it in my little card, as well as give you a little bit more journaling. And then here is one of my takes on the skeleton cards. So here's a fabric flip, and then this flips out for journaling. beautiful journal. I really love how this one turned out. I always say this one's my favorite on all of them. Yeah. This is a cluster. It's like a collaged edge page. So I just collaged, and then I just put it as a tuck spot in here. And then this is a card my friend Lisette sent me, I think. And then just some fun journaling, fun tags. You can pull all the tags out and use them in a different project if you want, or you can leave them in here, whatever you want to do. This is more of that really pretty paper. And then I attach the back of that envelope here. I just love that envelope. Got some yellow lace here. And then, oh, you know what I didn't show you? Hold on.
What didn't you show, babe?
The charms. I try to tie charms on all my journals if I have the charms. And I kind of went a kind of crafty way. So here I have like a ruler, and then this owl was just the perfect colors, so I used that. It's kind of like a crafty style journal is what I kind of pictured it as. So that's why I went there. And then here is a pocket that I made up, and it's just got two little pockets here, and then this fun little guest check, and it has that slow stitch on it, and then it has some of the skeleton card there, and then this little piece that came from the paper kit, so you can write on the back of those, and the purple. And then on this side, but isn't that pretty paper? I love how that looks. I need to go back outside and do coffee dyeing or something out there and get that texture. Another fabric flip, and then another one of those cute little roses. And of course my watercolor paper. And then just another sheet of watercolor paper that I folded into just small enough to fit in this envelope, so you have plenty of journaling or, you know, decorating, whatever you want to do with it. And this piece I loved. I think this was done with color bursts, so I love that. I think it's really fun. And some of the pages have like some kind of texture on it, and that is from this one. Like this one was watercolored, and then I sprinkled it with salt. And so it kind of still has some texture on it, which is kind of fun. And then here's another collage edge. And then a couple of journaling cards or tags. I just loved them, so I just popped them in here. But I just love these papers. They were so fun to make. And I made these papers specifically for this journal because I just really wanted to. And then again, I have well, I have charms. I have a key here that says love on it, and then like a pen nib, so you can, because I was thinking of crafty, so. But isn't that pretty? I just love it. And then here's another one of those double pockets. So we have the slow stitch sewing here, and then I decorated that, and then just some little journaling tags there. Ledger paper, there's another paper clip, and then I put this on the back. Here's another fold out that I attached my envelope to. Oh, and then here is another one of those fun little circles that was inspired by my friend Donna. And I put some of the other pieces inside of it too, just for interest. And then just a circle from the paper pad so that you know where it goes. And then I did like a little collage that is attached with a brad here, and so you can move that however you want. I just thought it was really cute. More of the paper and lace, just a really thin piece of stationery. And then another one of the circles, a belly band, and then some of the leftover papers. I certainly didn't want to throw away any of the papers, and I'll include some of the watercolor papers in with this journal, so you can use them if you'd like. A tag, and then here's another paper clip. And I just made this up. I needed another paper clip, and so I just used some of the pieces of the paper pad. And again, this is like another Read It Only flip that I doubled. And then this is another of the little library pockets, and then another sheet of paper that you pull out and you can journal there. Another tag, just some fun pieces in here. But I wanted the whole focus to be on the watercolor paper. I just love the pastels of it, and so I think this turned out so pretty. Here's the back, and then, you know, Clint did the flying geese pattern, but I think it's so beautiful. I love this journal. So if you guys are interested, this will be up today, which is June 1st at 6 o'clock Mountain Time. So that gives a couple of hours, so, you know, for people to watch this video. And if you're interested, it will be in my Etsy, and that link will be below. But it is the Ramblin' Crafter. There's no G on Rambling, so it's Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy, and this will be showing right at 6 o'clock or right around. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for them to show up in there. I don't know why. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this. It was one of my favorites. I really like it. So thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Go check this out if you're interested at 6 o'clock Mountain Time. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Alright guys, thanks for visiting.